Kat here with a new card to show you. This is a pyramid box card. I thought I would try something a little bit different. This was a special order for a 20th wedding anniversary, so I wanted to make something a little bit special and a new design, something I'd never done before. When you open it up, we have a standing image in the middle, the bride and groom, a little bit of sparkle, quite a few layers on the couple there, and then each triangle on the card has a different spot to write a personal message, the names of the couple, any dates, things like that. This one I was really proud of. I love how it came out. Lots of tiny details. It took a while to put together. I hope you like it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.